In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up ChatGPT for teens or students. So this is a new feature that ChatGPT has released recently, which allows you to link your kids or teenagers' account to yours so the memories and all the different things won't get kind of mixed up, and it allows you to put parameters and safety measures on the kids' accounts. So what you want to do is go to a web browser, go to chatgpt.com and log in to your account. Once you're here in the lower left-hand corner, you want to click on your profile and then go to Settings. Once under Settings, on the sidebar, you'll see the Parental Controls settings here, and then just click on that, and then go to the button that says Add Family Member. Once you do that, go ahead and enter the email address, or if you would prefer, you can use their phone number. This will send them an invite via that method, and then you can go from there. Once you've inserted the email address or phone number, you want to go right here where it says this person is, and then just choose My Child. Now, if you're doing this from the kids account to begin with, they can come in here, go to Parental Controls, and then choose that, this person is my parent, and then you can do it reverse. But I'm going to show you how to set it up from your account. Once you do that, go ahead and click Send. They will then receive an email or a message on their phone that says your parent wants to help manage some of your ChatGPT settings, lets them know your account information, and then gives them a button that says Accept Request. Go ahead and tap or click that button there. Now, if we go to your account settings here, go to Settings, and then go to the Parental Controls, you'll see right here, here is your invitation that you sent, and here is your parent account, and then the ability to add other kids if you have more than one. You can also click on the invitation that you sent and resend or cancel the invitation if something went wrong. Once you're logged into the kids account, however you log in, go to their settings or information in the lower left-hand corner, go to Settings, and then go to Parental Controls, and make sure that under Family Members, it shows you as the parent and then them as the kid or teenager account below you. Once you've done all of this, I want you to log out of the kid or teen account and log back into your account. Once you've accepted the invite, now you can go ahead and go to your settings on your account, go to Parental Controls, and right here, click on the teen account and start managing these settings. So the first thing you're going to see is time management, quiet hours. So this is scheduled hours when ChatGPT cannot be used. So this would obviously be during school time or late at night or times when you don't want your child accessing ChatGPT. So we can go here and we can say for the weekdays, Monday through Friday, from say whatever, 6 a.m. to 5 p.m., we do not want them to have access to ChatGPT. All of this will need to be monitored and changed by you, but you can add other blocks and do it as tight or as loose as you want it to be. Once we go back, we'll see something that says study hours. So it will have ChatGPT ask questions and give hints before answering questions. So if we go to this option here, this will allow ChatGPT to not just give them everything. So you can go here and click on Scheduled and add times where you want study hours to be available. Next, we have content. We obviously want to enable the Reduce Sensitive Content option here. Go to Learn More to see what that entails. Under Data Controls, you want to improve the model for everyone. So it will allow your child's transcripts and other files to be used to train the models for ChatGPT. I would probably disable that, to be honest, for privacy concerns. Reference saved memories, so allow ChatGPT to save and use memories when responding. If you disable this, it really takes the usage of the tool down a notch, a big notch, in my opinion. Next is Codex Network Access, so allowing ChatGPT to work, to connect to online services when running code. Again, if your kid's into that, make sure that's enabled. Claude Browser, voice mode, image generation. If you want to disable that, you just click right here and that will disable image generation. Location sharing, I'm going to disable that. Just know whatever you disable or enable here, just know whatever you're disabling or enabling here will impact how your kid can utilize the tool. You're good to go. Now the kid can log back in and they will have those restraints when they are utilizing the tool. If you have any questions, I'll have some frequently asked questions in a pinned comment down below. Anything specific that I might have missed, comment and I'll get to it as soon as I can, and I'll see you guys in the next video.